Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's been a hot minute, but I am back. Okay, I have recently decided that I really like to wear the moons in my hair. Usually I put my hair up in a bun and then slide these in so that the bun is holding them. There are ways to wear these without having to put your hair up. Like you can use these to hold your hair. But I am not skilled in that area, so I just slide them in. Yes, so I just dropped one. I will insert a picture here of what it looks like, but I'm a cheeky little horror lover, and so I like to wear mine up like little horns. But I also work in a place where space is a main theme, and I wear these to work all the time. So I want to make some more moons. I've got 3 that I use typically right now. I've got a black one, the blue Van Gogh Night Sky, and then just a transparent blue with some holographic glitter and gold flakes in it. Which those last 2 were bonus unmoldings recently. So anyway, let me stop chattering. So I pulled a few things. I pulled my Larisi holographic glitter. I want to do one of these in strictly holographic glitter. I think that would be really pretty. I've also pulled some of my intense chameleon powder and some of my regular chameleon powder. So maybe do a fun dusting of one of these. And then I have my UV resin, and I want to do the water drop effect, right? With the UV resin, I want to make some dots, some raindrops, and I want to dust them probably with some gray, like a battleship gray, and then pour the rest in a gray resin and make it look like a moon, basically. Which I've done previously on the channel with spheres. I will tag those, or at least one of them, up in the iCard. But I'm excited. I also pulled some Mirage colors. I don't know if I want to use these or not yet. I've got Magic Purple and Magic Blue. So I may do a second one with the UV resin and kind of dust this on and see what it does. You know, it never hurts to try. If I do that, it'll probably be the small one, since it'll be... I don't typically wear the super small ones. I typically wear the 2 medium ones. So these 2. But yeah, let's get the resin warmed up. Let's get these dusted. Let's get some raindrops going. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. I'm happy to be back. Although I don't know if this one is coming before the other one where I did an experiment. So if this is the second video of mine, recent video of mine you're seeing, then I hope you enjoyed that one too, I guess. Alright, let's get crafting. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. I don't know if you can hear, but I did not sleep well because I have a sore throat, which is just great. Anyway, have some kitties. The orange is from a very long time ago, I think. And then I've also got a half orange, half holographic kitty. Cute. Ooh, that's cool. I didn't realize it was clear in there as well. And then this is the half and half. Okay. Yeah, so anyway, there's today's bonus unmolding. Alright friends, I'm excited to see how these turned out, especially these two. These are the ones with the raindrop effect. So I guess we'll start out with this one. Oh, that's so pretty. Of course, the lighting is not doing it any favors, but it is super gorgeous. Okay. We'll do this one. This is just the Intense Chameleon Powder. What the heck? Oh good, it comes off. This was in the mold. And it's weird because I spotted it before I poured. And I tried to clean it out. But it wouldn't come off, so I figured it was just a defect with the mold. But anyway, that's beautiful. Okay. Yeah, we'll do this one. Whew, I'm nervous. Let's see how it looks. Once I get all the extra off. Oh, that's really cool looking. That's actually really cool looking. I'm going to have to cure it under the lamp a little bit more. As you can see, I just got a fingerprint in this one. But, wow, that's gorgeous. I love how that turned out. Okay, so I'm going to put that over here under the lamp while we demold the other one. Let me try and use the alcohol to see if I can get that fingerprint off. Okay. Alright. Pop that under the lamp for a bit. Alright. Are we ready for the last one? I am. I do have quite a lot of cleanup to do on this one. Especially around these tips. Okay. Can you tell I'm stalling? I'm nervous. I'm nervous to see how it looks. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Wow. That definitely looks like a moon. I think I'll probably wear this one today to work. And today's Wednesday, so I'll let you guys know what the reception is of it. That's so cool. Oh, I love it. I love, love, love it. All right, friends. Well, let's turn that off. That is today's video. These turned out fantastic. I think this one is my favorite, the moon. I think the moon is probably my favorite. Let me know what you guys think is your favorite. Pardon me. Yeah, I just think it's so cool. And I especially like the ones kind of like that, where there's like a volcano in the middle. Because I don't know if you guys know this, but fun science fact, the moon actually came from the Earth, and at one point it was volcanic. Did you know that? That there were active volcanoes on the moon? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Ah, so cool. Anyway, that is today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.